we will guide you through how to change gradient background in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your image in Adobe Photoshop and wait until the document and subject are visible on the canvas. Open the Layers panel by pressing the F7 key, or bring it forward if it is grouped with other controls. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the New Adjustment Layer icon. Select Gradient from the menu to add an editable gradient layer to the document. The Gradient Fill window will open and show a preview with the main appearance settings. Click the Gradient Preview bar to open the Gradient Editor, where you can control the colors and transitions. Choose one of Photoshop's preset gradients for a quick result, or create a custom gradient that matches your design. Double-click the left color stop beneath the gradient bar, select the color you want at the starting side, and confirm the choice. Next, double-click the right color stop and choose the ending color, checking the preview to see how the colors blend across the gradient. When the transition looks correct, click OK to close the Gradient Editor and return to the Gradient Fill window. Open the Style menu and choose a layout, such as linear for a straight transition, radial for a blend spreading from a center point, or angle for a rotating sweep around the image. Adjust the angle to change the direction of the transition, and modify the scale if needed to make the gradient spread broadly or appear more concentrated. Review the live preview on the canvas, then click OK to apply the gradient and close the settings window. In the Layers panel, drag the Gradient Fill layer below your subject layer so the gradient appears behind the subject instead of covering it. To revise the effect later, double-click the Gradient Fill layer thumbnail at any time to reopen its controls and edit the colors, style, angle, scale, or other settings without rebuilding the gradient.